Touchy.
Can you estimate this dog's excitement just by his jump?
Gus!
You got a license? Hey, bro. Hey, we're license. Yo, hey, you got a license?
Please scratch my belly to get the running engine ready. When you know you've grown out of your favorite jeans, but it's your best jeans ever. Doggo has never managed such a huge branch before. Please go easy on him.
Drop it. Yes. Sometimes my lip gets stuck on my teeth.
You know that the door will open when you ring the bell.
Kita. Kita, roar. Kita, roar. Roar, roar. Roar. Roar.
Anyone claiming the gift recipient is the most excited clearly hasn't met this dog. How to measure the floor without a ruler. When you want to play but end up being played.
Amor, otra vez.
Remember to make sure you and your loved one always stay hydrated. This furry speaker has its volume button hidden on its neck. When you've been indoors for too long and the craziness starts kicking in. The backyard WWE fight seems pretty intense. What it's like when a canine machine loses control.
Angel. Oh my gosh, woman. Relax.
Having a dog scared of the elevator means you become the elevator.
You know you're not little no more. You shouldn't have got under there. You know you're not little no more. Trying to be like the little kids. You better fix your eye. Trying to be like the little kids.
If your dog acts like this, that is a sign he's about to become a philosopher. The relationship between me and the swimming pool every summer, inseparable. This PT dog be like, my owner has been exercising. What about you? Looks like nobody gave the dog proper instructions on playing with snow.
Yep, try it now.
Me, running away from my responsibilities, be like, the fence design is so tricky, the doggo gotta get used to being the mountain goat technique to climb over it.
Sit down. Try it.
The best part of a road trip is the nap, isn't it? How to know if your furry baby has a talent for imitation.
Слышь ты, блядь, японский летчик, дай мне полы помыть, а? Леня! Так, Леня! Вот что делать с тобой? Вали нахрен отсюда, говорю, ты же сейчас еще перевернешь ведро. Лень, вали, говорю.
The amount of sand is so insane that Doggo has no idea where to start digging.
So this email says, do you want to go in the office on Tuesday or Wednesday? There will be lots of treats there. Hopefully we can have breakfast and dinner at the office because breakfast and dinner will be available.
When your human small talk seems like forever, you gotta head home solo. One benefit of sharing a bed is the free petting. One should learn how to chase from an expert. Everything can be a mud bath if you want it enough. When your dog mistakes the water ball for a wash basin.
Меня выгнали из дома, меня выгнали из дома, меня выгнали из дома, я их всех там заебал. Ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля. Как же это...
Doggo's trying to figure the right key. Just let me try to figure out my life. This looks like the best assistant one could have while working from home.
I gave him a French fry for later. He hasn't noticed yet.
Thanks for tuning in today. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more hilarious moments. Goodbye, and we'll see you around.